My name is Salita McMurray, and I work at Macomb Community College in the STEM Outreach Program. We work for CAT, so the Center for Advanced Automotive Technology. So this summer camp has evolved over the years. We have a few major contributors, Bosch, typically GM, and our NCAT partners. They all get together with us, and us being CAT, and we all put it together for the kids. It's a week-long program where the kids come in every day, have a different activity going on involving STEM and STEAM. We incorporate all of that into their week's activities. So the importance of introducing kids to STEM and STEAM is getting them involved with hands-on activities. The kids usually tend to really enjoy hands-on activities, working together and evolving through many different activities of technology.
This camp has been really good. I like the architecture, I like the coding that was involved. The coding's the best for me because I really like how I can be creative and create whatever I want. It can help me create technology so that in the future I can be better at CAD and stuff like that I'm gonna be able to use to help build rockets and stuff.
I want to be an engineer or something that has to do with health science, so everything here just is an interest of me. I want to be someone to help with finding cures for diseases, and the chemicals part of medical, because my mom and my sister are both nurses, and I also want to help people, but some way that could be a little more effective.
Hopefully in the future we can have a lot more of these STEM camps. I enjoy teaching the kids, but I also enjoy running the entire program, so hopefully we can offer many more of these programs going forward.